MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making air fried churros. This is so easy, no deep frying needed. Air fryer is going to make them crispy, and we're using very simple ingredients: puff pastry, sugar, cinnamon, and butter. So here's one sheet of frozen puff pastry. I already thawed it on a counter. So it took about 30 minutes and it got defrosted. So let's unroll it. And I'm going to cut it into thirds, exactly where they were folded. And then I'm going to cut them into strips. So they're about 1 inch or so. And now let's put them in the air fryer. And I'm going to put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. So now, since pastry pieces were overlapping each other, it's important to separate them and just kind of flip them over. So if they're stuck, you just redistribute them, because we want them all to evenly cook, not just the ones on top. So we just need to air fry them until basically all of them are crispy and cooked. And now let's put them back in the air fryer. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the puff pastry churros. So they're perfectly cooked and so nicely browned. So just take a look, make sure that everything is evenly cooked, because yours might take a few more minutes. So if you see there's some undercooked ones, just always just mix them and redistribute them and put them back in the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for a few more minutes until they're all brown and crispy. So now my churros are ready for dipping in sugar, cinnamon, and butter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix in a plastic bag half a cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. So it'll close this bag and just mix it together. So here's cinnamon sugar mixture. And also, I've melted 4 tablespoons of butter. I melted in the microwave while the churros were cooking in the air fryer. So I'm just going to pour butter on a plate. So it's 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip each churro in the butter and then put it in the bag so it's coated with cinnamon sugar mixture. So just dip it and add to bag and just do it for all of them. And now I'm going to close the bag and shake it so the churros are coated with cinnamon sugar. Perfect. And now I'm just going to put them in a plate and try them. Looks so good. And it was so easy to make in the air fryer. Look at this cinnamon sugar churros. They look amazing. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. It's so delicious. They're so crispy, coated with cinnamon sugar. They really taste as good as they look. You will love them. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!